I have the OnePlus Nord CE6 and I'll show you in this video how to add a weather widget to the home screen. So go to any home screen and tap and hold on an empty space and then select widgets. So under widgets you want to scroll down and find the weather widget. So scroll all the way down and find weather, tap on that, and you should see a couple of weather widgets as you swipe through, a couple of weather widgets that you can add. So you can select one that you like. For me, I'll select this one and then simply tap on add. So once it's added to my home screen, I can tap and hold on it and either edit the widget, rename or remove the widget. Now I can move it around to another home screen if that one is too cluttered. And then now I can tap on it. And then if it's your first time using this weather app, you'll need to agree to the statement of use. Tap on agree and continue. And then give location permissions. So select while using the app, turn on location services, use location, and then turn on precise location. And once you do that, it's going to start obtaining your location. So wait for that to be done. And once it obtains your location, you can now go back and it's going to obtain your location. Now you can also tap on that once again and then select change to precise location, or you can press and hold and select edit widget, and then now you can add or you can change the city that you want. So by tapping on city and then searching for another city that you may want to add, just like that. And once you select it, you can tap on done and then it's going to change to that particular city. But that's basically how to add a weather widget to the home screen of your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Like and subscribe, questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.